If you're a Nigerian student in the UK and your visa is about to run out, breathe. You have more options than the panic on Twitter and WhatsApp groups is telling you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through every legal pathway that actually exists right now, who qualifies for each one, and the one mistake that can cost you a 10-year ban. Before we get into the list, one rule above all others: if you submit a valid application to switch into a new visa before your student visa expires, UK law lets you keep your status while the Home Office decides. This is called 3C leave. You are not an overstayer during that wait. But if your visa expires with nothing pending, you become an overstayer from day one. There is no automatic grace period anymore. So the deadline that matters isn't your flight home, it's the day on your visa. Option 1, and usually the easiest, the graduate visa. This is a post-study work visa, no employer, no sponsor needed. If you've completed an eligible bachelor's, master's, or PhD at a UK university, you can apply for permission to stay and work in any job, at any skill level, for 2 years, 3 years if you have a PhD. Who can apply? You need a valid student visa at the time you apply, and your university must confirm your course is officially completed, not just that you attended your graduation ceremony, but that they've reported completion to the Home Office. Chase your international office for the exact date, don't assume. Important timing note: right now, in 2026, this route still gives you the full 2 years. That changes to 18 months for anyone applying from January 1st, 2027 onward, so if you're close to that date, the calendar matters. Option 2, the skilled worker visa. If a UK employer with a Home Office sponsor license offers you a job, you can switch directly, even without going through the graduate visa first. Who can apply? The role generally needs to be degree level, what's called RQF level 6, and pay at least £41,700 a year, unless it's on a shortage occupation list with a reduced threshold. You'll also need English at B2 level, which is a step up from what was required before January 2026. This route is stricter than it used to be. Over 100 lower-skilled jobs were removed from eligibility in mid-2025, so the job has to be a real qualifying role, not just any offer. Option 3 used to be the health and care worker visa. But heads up, as of July 2025, the government closed overseas recruitment specifically for care worker roles. If you're a nurse, doctor, or other registered healthcare professional with a genuine sponsored offer, this route can still work. But if you are hoping to enter care work from outside the sector, that door has shut for new overseas hires. Option 4, global talent, for people who can demonstrate real recognized talent or promise in academia, research, the arts, or digital technology. No job offer needed, but you typically need an endorsement from a relevant approved body. It's a higher bar, but no sponsor lock-in. Option 5, innovator founder, if you have a genuine, viable business idea that an approved endorsing body will back. This isn't a shortcut for a fake business plan. Endorsers check that it's real, innovative, and scalable. Option 6, high potential individual or HPI. This one's specific. It's for people who graduated within the last 5 years from a university on the Home Office's own approved global list. Note, this is about a previous degree from an eligible overseas university, not your current UK course. The eligible list expanded in late 2025, but there's now a hard cap of 8,000 applications a year, running November to October. Once that cap's hit, it's closed until the next cycle. Option 7, partner visa. If you're married to or in a genuine long-term relationship with a British citizen or someone settled in the UK, you may be able to switch, subject to income and relationship requirements. Option 8, a new student visa enrolling in another eligible course. This buys time, but be aware, since January 2024, only PhD-level students can bring dependents. If you have a partner or children with you, a taught master's or undergraduate course won't let them stay as your dependents. Option 9, long residence or human rights grounds. If you've built up many years of continuous lawful residence, or have very strong family ties like a British child, this route exists. But be honest with yourself here, it's a high legal bar, not a general safety net, and it's worth a solicitor's proper assessment rather than guesswork. One more thing that affects every route above. The government has proposed doubling the standard path to settlement from 5 to 10 years for most work and study-based routes. Family routes and BNO visa holders would generally keep the 5-year path. This is still being finalized, but it changes how you should think